Why does your scanner show the P2160 engine code? What does it mean? P2160 is a diagnostic trouble code for vehicle speed sensor B circuit low. This error code indicates that it triggers when your car's powertrain computer detects that the voltage signal from the secondary vehicle speed sensor is abnormally low or has dropped entirely. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: faulty speed sensor, damaged wiring or connectors, metal debris accumulation, damaged reluctor ring, module failures. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Chevrolet and GMC. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.